Howdy folks, how you doing today? I just wanted to give a quick little rundown on some of the things coming up on this channel so you might know what to look forward to. Now, I do own a Creality Ender 3 Pro. So, a lot of the upcoming videos are going to be based on that. Some of the videos coming up are going to be covering topics such as the Dual Z installation. There will also be a microswiss direct drive and all metal hot end installation, but it will be with a twist. It is their newer model for linear rails. So that video will also cover installation of the linear rails. There will be other things like reviews of my comgrow dual spool filament dryer and storage box. An item which I can honestly say so far I'm liking. There'll be a lot more other than that, such as Octopi and Octoprint videos, including my setup eventually for how I run my Octoprint off of Android. There will be tutorials on how to install these products. Hope you're looking forward to them. Sorry about the audio quality. I'm waiting on a mic and a better camera. So when those are in, hopefully things will improve a little. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Love to hear your opinions and any requests or ideas for future videos that you would like to see.